Okay. Ooh. Sebab dia selalu balik tutup. Macam dia ada alergi kan?
Sini sakit juga.
Oh my goodness, I hope it's okay.
Sini sakit juga. Sama-sama.
Oh, syakoy.
Sini sakit juga.
Oh, dia. It's okay. No pain, no gain.
It's okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, thank you. See you next month lah. If ever dia balik lagi. Dan guys. Kasi lagi siyang bumabalik guys. So, pag may tumama na veins, bumabalik siya. Pag okay naman siya, so, continue. So, it's done here guys. So, another is, I'm going to Kutaraya. So, see you there. Yan. Namula siya guys. Normal lang yan guys. Ayan, no pain, no gain. Kasi kailangan natin magpaganda. Diba? Kasi naboboard yung babae. Yung babae talaga is very, very stubborn. So, what should I do? Fashion. No pain, no gain. Nakatingin sila sa akin. Gusto ko lang enjoy yung off day ko guys. I just felt so boring. So, let's go. Try. We will go to Kutaraya for another vlog.